Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to delete an email address in Hostinger. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to emails. Next to your domain name, click on manage. Then go to mailboxes. And this is the email address, the Hostinger email address that I want to delete. To delete it, simply click on these three dots and select delete. You are about to delete mailbox of your Hostinger email address. You will delete email data permanently. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed Cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger License, just join dotcom builders academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. You are about to delete mailbox of your Hostinger email address. You will delete email data permanently. Yes, I understand. Click on delete. And just like that, your Hostinger email address will be deleted. And if you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.